Welcome back. So, looks like northern lights have been discovered on an Earth-sized planet just 12 light years away. The exoplanet was is sending out radio signals, but before you get excited, they're thought to be evidence of not life, but of aurora. So, like the polar lights that reveal an Earth-like magnetic field and atmosphere, which is a good sign if you want life on the planet. Earth's magnetic field help preserve a slim, life-sustaining atmosphere by deflecting high-energy particles from the sun. Planet's magnetic field can prevent its atmosphere from being worn away over time by these particles, known as the solar wind, spewed by its star. In this same space weather that causes aurora on Earth. The discovery of aurora makes YZ Ceti b an Earth-sized planet orbiting a red dwarf star just 12 light years away from Earth in the constellation Cetus, the best candidate yet for a rocky exoplanet with a magnetic field. The search for potentially habitable life or bearing worlds in other solar systems depends in part on being able to determine if rocky Earth-like exoplanets actually have magnetic fields, said NSF Joe Pesse? Anyways, program director for the National Radio Atmospheric Astronomy Observatory, about a new paper published in Nature Astronomy this week. This research shows not only that this particular rocky planet likely has a magnetic field, but provides a promising method to find more. Using the Carl G. Jansky Very Large Array of Telescopes in New Mexico, the researchers detected strong radio waves believed to be created by the star YZ Ceti interacting with the planet's YZ Ceti b's magnetic field. This is telling us new information about the environment around stars, said Sebastian Pineda, co-lead author of the new paper, calling the detection extrasolar space weather. We're actually seeing the aurora on the star. That's what this radio emission is, but there should also be aurora on the planet if it has its own atmosphere. Detecting the presence of a magnetic field around a distant exoplanet is not easy. This is the first time a magnetic field has been found on an Earth-like exoplanet, Earth-sized, with previous detections at only Jupiter-sized worlds. For radio waves to be detected from 12 light years away requires them to be very strong, which means the exoplanet has to be orbiting very close to the star. Said planet orbit takes us 2 days to orbit its star. We're looking for planets that are really close to the stars and are similar size to Earth, said Pineda. These planets are way too close to the stars to be anywhere you could live, but because they're so close to the planet, it is kind of plowing through a bunch of stuff coming off the star. If the planet has a magnetic field and it plows through enough star stuff, it will cause the star to emit bright radio waves. And that's where that cuts off. Follow-up work is needed to confirm the findings, said the researchers. So with that being that close to its host star, those auroras probably go all the way down to the equator. Anyways, outside of that, yeah. I mean, the planet would have to be further away, like Earth-like distance from its star, assuming it's a sun-like star, and that would be the best potential for life in that regard. Anyways, that does seem to be it for right now. Stay safe out there. Link will be in the description box below. See you in the next video. Bye.